Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you're having a great day. My name is Hamish Hodder, and today I'm super excited because I am announcing a new series that I'm going to be starting where I go through each and every aspect of how to build a strong long-term portfolio to compound your wealth. This has been a highly requested series on my channel, and I am excited to see how it evolves over the next few months. As part of this series, I'm going to be creating a public portfolio on the trading platform Stake, where I will be updating you guys on how that portfolio is going each and every month. As I mentioned in my previous video where I talked about the platform Stake trading, Stake has kindly sent me out some merch, so I'm going to be giving that away to celebrate the launch of this new series. So make sure you stick around to the end so you learn exactly how you can enter and maximize your chance of winning. But firstly, what exactly is this series going to be about? Now, basically, there are going to be two different types of videos that are going to make up this series. The first videos are going to be related to the public portfolio. This will include monthly updates of how the portfolio is performing, new trades that I've been making in and out of stocks within the portfolio, as well as videos relating to the composition of the portfolio and reasons for why I've picked certain stocks that I'm putting in the portfolio and reasons for selling certain stocks and that sort of thing. Also, every single week there will be a new video taking you through the process of how I find great businesses and analyze them. I want to use this series as an opportunity to show you the entire process that I go through, from when I find stocks and shortlist them on a buy list all the way up to making an investment. And I want to go through each and every aspect and show you that journey. And also, hopefully, we will find some great stocks that we can add to our public portfolio and grow it over the next few months and years. Now, let's talk about this giveaway. So the giveaway prize is going to be a Stake trading cap, which I know is only a small prize, but I just want to get a feel for how these giveaways will operate, if there's going to be any problems that I'm going to face so that I can fix those problems, and then I can do many other larger giveaways in the future that will run really smoothly. So to enter this giveaway, it's fairly simple. You just click the link in the description below and enter your email address, and you get 3 entries into the competition. And also, if you want to get extra entries, there are a number of different ways you can get additional entries to increase the chance of you winning. You get 3 extra entries if you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and if you like my Facebook page, and you get 10 extra entries if you are subscribed to me on YouTube. So make sure you take advantage of all those extra entries so that you maximize your chance of winning. I will be announcing the winner on YouTube in a couple of weeks, so if you're new around here, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that, and also so you don't miss out on this new series, because it is going to be epic. On next week's episode for this series, you will be getting the first look at our public portfolio, as well as I will be taking you through the best way to structure a brand new portfolio. It is the most effective way to get started in the stock market, in my opinion. The reason for that is because it stops you from making 2 critical errors that a lot of beginners make when they get started. The first is picking a bad stock and watching it fail and then never wanting to invest again because you're afraid of the market or something like that. And the second mistake is that people get bored of their portfolio and they start to make higher and higher risk investments, and eventually these will all crumble, and again you will be put off from the market and you won't want to invest again. So this structure for building a portfolio, a brand new portfolio, will help you to overcome those problems. So that's what you've got to look forward to for next week. Now, I'm still going to be making my regular stock market analysis videos and other stock market related videos, so don't worry, I'm going to be doing the new series as well as my regular videos. That's all I've got for you guys for today. Make sure you enter that giveaway, and I am excited to announce the winner in a couple of weeks. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.